Hello, this is UVL. We manufacture ultraviolet lamps and ultraviolet disinfection equipment. Today's video will talk about how to properly install household water disinfection units. This video will be an example of a UVL-Aqua 28, but it will be suitable for any other installation, even those not manufactured by us. 1. The units can be mounted either horizontally or vertically. The main thing to consider when installing the unit is the free space from where the lamp or quartz cover can be removed. That is, you need to have at least another length of installation on the side of the unit that does not interfere with anything so that you can easily remove the bulb. Next, the inlet and outlet of the unit are exactly the same, so it doesn't matter where you have the water supply on the right or left and the water outlet. The bulb is also the same, can be located either on the right or left side. The important thing is that there's room to replace it. The installation itself is connected, of course, through the Americanized plugs. After them come the cutoff taps. And we highly recommend putting a bypass between the water inlet and outlet taps in case you are servicing the unit or it is being repaired, so that you don't run out of water altogether. So now we have the plant cut off, ready for service, and the water is being delivered, not disinfected. Also in the kit, we have plastic comets for mounting to the wall, but in this case, you can see that the installation is basically hanging in the pipes, and it is quite enough. What else is there to say about editing? Please note, I highly recommend that the power supply unit should not be placed under the installation, but on top, because if it is at the bottom, the condensate that leaks from the installation can run down the cable and consequently ruin the power supply unit. Also what you need to look at, wiring or turning on the lamp. Now you and I can see the installation is working. This can also be judged by the glow of our inspection window, by the indication of the lamp operation on the power supply unit. How is the lamp turned on? The lamp must be lit continuously. That is, it cannot be turned on by the flow sensor, as for example, turns on the aeration or something else. For two reasons. The bulb will burn out much faster if you turn it on and off frequently. And on the second, it takes a few tens of seconds for the UV power to come out. That is, the water after the lamp is turned on, which goes for the first 10, 20, 30 seconds, will be under-decontaminated. That's why the lamp is on all the time. If you live seasonally, that means the entire season you live. The lamps of these household installations are designed to serve for about 9,000 hours, which corresponds to 1 year. The bulb won't burn out, but it will already have greatly reduced UV power, so make it a rule to change the bulb once a year. Also, most importantly, as the cover gets dirty, flushing should be performed. The interval between flushes will vary depending on the condition of your water. We will make a separate video for you on flushing. It's water disinfection, it's not purification. And the cleaner and clearer the water goes through the plant, the better and more effective the disinfection. Therefore, the lamp, or rather the installation, is mounted after all cleaning systems, as close to water consumers as possible. Drink good water and see you in the future.